Hello, CS50 students. So as you know, we will continue our learning activities in a distance learning format. I just want to make sure that we have a smooth and effective transition to this new learning experience. So I'm going to start by showing you some of the tools I have prepared for you. Um, so, as well as discuss some of the procedures and expectations for as long as we are forced to continue on a distance learning mode. So I'm in Unified Classroom and this is the class page. This is a distance learning tab that was created especially for this purpose. So every Monday, your expectation is to check this page for the weekly learning plan. In here you can see the plan for this week. This information is going to be added here by 9 a.m. Um, the second tool that I wanted to introduce to you is Piazza. Piazza is a discussion board. Let me switch to CS50AP. So at this time, you should have received an invitation email to join the class, to join Piazza. So the idea is that you can post all your questions in here rather than sending me an individual email. Uh, and that we all benefit from the collective knowledge because you don't need to wait for me to answer a question, but rather you can support your classmates and answer questions to each other. So please join this as soon as possible and let's start using it as well as soon as possible. Um, the third thing that I wanted to discuss with you is my calendar. As you can see, the calendar was added here, but there is a button here in the bottom. I don't think that you can see it because it's being blocked by my camera, but there is a plus sign that allows you to add my calendar to your own Google Calendar so that you can see my calendar like this and not as, busy and cluttered as it looks in Unified Classroom. So we're going to be meeting for protected class time every Thursday at 10 a.m. My expectation is to make this weekly meeting mandatory. Um, we might not use the 2 hours, but at least it's a good idea to check in as a group at least once a week. So in order to join the Google Meet session, you can click here. There's a link here that you can copy and open in a different tab. Now, what happens if you need individual help? What happens if you need to see me individually rather than to ask questions as a group? Well, we have office hours devoted for this class on Tuesdays from 9 to 10. You can click here to book an appointment with me. We also have, I also have available from 10 to 12 on Mondays. This is not exclusive for CS50, but for all my classes. So you should try booking here first and then here as a second option. All right, so what do we have for this week? We're going to start with our create task. As you prepare for preparing an individual plan and choosing the topic for your real create task, I am going to be reviewing your mock create tasks and sending you some feedback individually. So before we meet on Thursday, what I would like you to do is to download and print, if you have access to a printer, this document. This is the Create Task Survival Guide. Um, so it contains lots of pages, lots of examples, okay, of what is an abstraction, what is a valid algorithm. So the answers are in red, okay. I am providing the answers so that you can actually check your understanding. Um, And what I really want you to focus on is on this page, page 13, in which I ask you to prepare before our weekly meeting. Um, and I want you to join the meeting with two clear ideas for your project, okay? And what you're going to do is that you're going to share your ideas and get some feedback from your classmates so that you can come to a final decision. And once you have come to a final decision of what it is that you're going to create for this task, you should submit this checking organizer as well as a planner, okay, to me so that I can follow up with you, okay. I will discuss a little bit more of what parts you need to fill in during the weekly session. For now, just read the whole thing, focus on having this page 13 ready for the live session. All right, I think that is all for today. Um, Please don't forget to join the Google Meet session. Here's also a quick link to the session, and I see you Thursday. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be on the lookout for my feedback on those mock create tasks. Bye bye.